Best PC cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at some of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. Upgrade your PC build with the NZXT H7 Flow, a mid-tower case designed for enthusiasts who value both performance and style. Engineered for optimal airflow, its striking perforated panels ensure your components stay cool under heavy loads, while the 3 pre-installed intake fans provide immediate, efficient ventilation. The H7 Flow balances top-tier thermal performance with noise containment, making it a standout choice for gamers, creators, and PC builders alike. Crafted with premium materials, the chassis offers impeccable fit and finish, exuding a modern and professional aesthetic. The tempered glass side panel beautifully showcases your build, while cable routing channels and ample interior space make keeping your setup clean and organized effortless. Supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, this versatile case also accommodates high-end components, including GPUs up to 410mm and CPU coolers up to 185mm tall. Liquid cooling enthusiasts will appreciate its compatibility with large radiators, allowing for custom cooling solutions without compromising space or accessibility. Front panel ports include USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, and HD audio, ensuring fast connectivity for all your peripherals. With 7 PCI expansion slots, multiple storage bays, and a bottom-mounted ATX power supply, the H7 Flow is as practical as it is stylish. At 21.4 by 9.6 by 18.75 inches and weighing 24.3 pounds, the NZXT H7 Flow offers a perfect blend of size, functionality, and premium design, all at a competitive $129.99 MSRP. Elevate your build with airflow-first engineering and sophisticated aesthetics. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Turn building your PC into an engaging DIY project with the Qube 500, a compact mid-tower case designed for both fun and functionality. Its playful, colorful design makes it an excellent choice for first-time builders, families, or anyone who enjoys a hands-on approach to assembling their computer. With swappable face panels, you can easily refresh your build's look whenever inspiration strikes, keeping your setup as unique as you are. Despite its fun, DIY-inspired design, the Qube 500 is a serious PC chassis. It supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, full-size power supplies, and high-performance components like GPUs up to 368mm and CPU coolers up to 175mm tall. The case includes a tempered glass side panel that beautifully showcases your build, while its clever layout and bottom-mounted power supply allow for efficient cable management and a clean, organized interior. Front panel ports include USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, and HD audio, providing fast, convenient connectivity for all your peripherals. Cooling is easy with 3 fan mounting positions and 1 included fan, ensuring your components stay cool during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Measuring 16.4 by 9.1 by 16.0 inches and weighing just 17 pounds, the Qube 500 delivers a perfect balance of compact size, sturdiness, and customization. Whether you're building your first PC or looking for a playful upgrade, this versatile, DIY-friendly chassis offers above-average value, creativity, and reliability in one fun package. Number 3. InWin A3. Punch above your weight class with the InWin A3, a Micro ATX case that delivers performance, style, and versatility in a compact package. Slightly larger than typical Micro ATX cases, the A3 gains extra internal space, making it easier to install high-performance components while maintaining a sleek, space-conscious footprint. Its distinctive InWin styling, tempered glass side panel, and attention to detail create a visually striking chassis that stands out in any setup. Designed for Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, the A3 accommodates full-size components, including GPUs up to 340mm and CPU coolers up to 162mm. Despite its compact size, thermal performance is excellent, with 5 fan positions and 1 included addressable RGB fan that keeps your system cool under load. Top-mounted ATX power supply support ensures clean cable routing and efficient airflow, helping maintain a neat, professional-looking build. The front panel includes USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, offering fast, convenient connectivity for your peripherals. Storage is versatile, with 2 3.5-inch bays and 3 2.5-inch bays to house your SSDs and HDDs. At just 13.63 by 8.47 by 15.75 inches and weighing only 11.6 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3 is a lightweight, compact solution for space-conscious PC builders who refuse to compromise on performance or style. Ideal for gamers, enthusiasts, and upgraders, the A3 proves that even small cases can deliver big results. Number 4. Thermaltake View 270TG ARGB Matcha Green. Bring premium features to your PC build without breaking the bank with the View 270RG ARGB. This eye-catching ATX mid-tower combines style, functionality, and affordability, earning it our editor's choice for exceptional value. Available in vibrant colors including pistachio green, hydrangea blue, and white, the View 270RG turns heads while offering top-tier capabilities typically found in higher-priced cases. Designed to support eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, the View 270RG provides ample room for high-performance components, including GPUs up to 428mm and CPU coolers up to 180mm tall. The case includes 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, 6 fan mounting positions, and full dust filters at all fan locations to keep your system cool and clean. The wraparound tempered glass side panel offers a stunning showcase for your build, while bottom-mounted ATX power supply support ensures efficient airflow and neat cable management. Front panel connectivity includes USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, providing fast access for peripherals and accessories. Storage options include 2 3.5-inch bays and 2 2.5-inch bays, allowing for flexible SSD and HDD configurations. Measuring 18.02 by 9.07 by 17.9 inches and weighing 14 pounds, the View 270RG ARGB combines space-conscious design, reliable performance, and striking aesthetics. Ideal for gamers, DIY builders, and budget-conscious enthusiasts, this case proves that exceptional style and functionality don't have to come with a high price tag. Number 5. Lian Li DAN A3-mATX. Experience a Goldilocks-sized micro ATX PC case with the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX, a collaboration with renowned German chassis maker DAN Cases. Designed for enthusiasts who value substance over flash, this case delivers excellent build quality, versatile compatibility, and a thoughtful layout that suits most 2024 PC builds without dominating your desk. Its slightly larger than compact footprint allows you to fit high-performance components while maintaining a streamlined, space-conscious design. Supporting Micro ATX and Mini ATX motherboards, the DAN A3 accommodates GPUs up to 425mm and CPU coolers up to 165mm tall, making it perfect for general-purpose builds. It supports ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies, mounted at the front for efficient space utilization. Storage flexibility includes 1 3.5-inch bay and 3 2.5-inch bays, providing ample room for SSDs and HDDs. Front panel ports include USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C, 2 USB 3.0 Gen 1 Type-A ports, and HD audio, ensuring fast and convenient connectivity for peripherals. The case features 4 fan positions and comes with RGB fan support to keep your system cool while adding a subtle visual touch. Optional tempered glass side panels allow you to showcase your components, though this chassis prioritizes function and build quality over flashy aesthetics. Measuring 12.66 by 7.64 by 17.8 inches and weighing just 10.8 pounds, the Lian Li DAN A3-mATX offers a premium compact experience at an exceptional value. Ideal for PC builders seeking a practical, versatile, and well-crafted micro ATX case, it earns our Editor's Choice Award for combining quality, performance, and affordability in one smart package.